Hey, I'm Bridget, a certified sleep science coach and mattress expert here at Sleepopolis. And today I am going to be reviewing the Saatva Latex Hybrid Mattress. I'm going to put it through a variety of tests and let you know how it does on our Sleepopolis scorecard. But before we get into all the testing deets, I want to give a quick overview of the Saatva Latex Hybrid. It's a 12-inch tall hybrid mattress that has a thick, soft, organic cotton cover, latex foam, recycled steel coils, and organic wool. As for feel, it has a very on top of the bed feel, which keeps you very lifted up. The latex foam offers a cradling feeling, which is comfy, but overall I think it has a firm feel. It's also really bouncy, durable, and supportive. The organic materials are also quite cooling. I do want to say Saatva sent us the latex hybrid mattress for free to review and to tell you about, and if you do decide to buy this bed through our link in the description below, we may get a commission. But that never sways our opinions and rather helps us keep these reviews free. And if you buy this mattress, you're going to get free shipping, a 365-night trial, free returns, and a lifetime warranty. It comes with free white glove delivery, which means it's hand-delivered uncompressed, and movers will set it up for you in your room of choice, then take away your old mattress for free if wanted. So first things first, let's talk about the different sleeping positions and how I think they all do on the Saatva Latex Hybrid. So no matter your sleeping position, you want your spine to be in alignment, but depending on that sleeping position, you need different things out of a mattress to make it happen. Stomach sleepers typically are happiest on a firm mattress that keeps their hips propped up and in line with their spine, and I think this is a firm bed that does a great job keeping you supported while in this position, so I'd give it 4.5 stars for stomach sleepers. Side sleepers tend to need a softer bed that offers sinkage around the hip and shoulder. The latex in this mattress provides a little contouring, but probably won't be soft enough for lightweight side sleepers or strict average weight side sleepers. I think it could be a good fit for combo side sleepers or heavier side sleepers. So I'd give it 3.5 stars for side sleeping. And lastly, back sleepers are looking for a bed with a good mix of comfort and support. The Saatva Latex Hybrid definitely delivers on both of these components and feels great lying on your back, so I'd give it 5 stars for back sleepers. Now let's test for motion isolation, which can be great for anyone who shares the bed with a partner or a pet. It's essentially a mattress's ability to absorb movement and stop it in its place. So if you're sleeping over here and someone's tossing and turning over there, those movements aren't going to travel across the bed and disturb you. We tested out with our very visual red wine test. I put a glass of wine on one side and then I moved around on the other to see how it affected it. And you can see it's not doing a great job. The wine is definitely moving. So I think you'd feel bigger movements from a partner or pet, and this is kind of expected from a latex hybrid bed. So overall, I'd give it 3 stars for motion isolation. Next up, let's test for edge support, which is essentially a measure of how well the perimeter or edge of the bed can support weight. So this is great for anyone who likes to sit or sleep near the edge of the bed, and it can also be good for couples sharing the bed because it makes it feel bigger. To start the test, I sat on the side and moved around, and it sank down a tiny amount below me, but it did really good overall. Then I moved to a sleeping position and rolled around near the edge of the bed. It did excellent here with no sinkage. So I'd give it 4.5 stars for edge support. Next up is the pressure map test. So I've mentioned I think the Saatva Latex Hybrid has a firm on top of the bed feel, but the pressure map takes it a step further. It uses heat mapping technology to show where pressure is building across the body while lying on the bed. So here's what you need to know as you go through these results. Blues and greens are great and are showing low pressure. Oranges and reds are bad and are showing high pressure. You want to see low pressure around your back, hips, and shoulders if you sleep on your side or back. On my back, you can see all blue. Really phenomenal results here with no pressure forming. On my side, there is some pressure forming, but nothing that's a major concern, which surprised me since this is a firmer mattress. So I'd give the Saatva Latex Hybrid mattress 5 stars for pressure relief for back back sleepers, and 3.5 stars for pressure relief for side sleepers. Now let's test for responsiveness, which is basically how easily you can move around on a mattress. So this can be really good for combination sleepers or anyone with mobility issues. Latex and coils are both known for their bounciness, and this mattress delivers on being super easy to move around on and is very bouncy. So I give it 5 stars for responsiveness. Mattress price is another really important factor when deciding on a new bed. I do want to note that mattress prices change all the time, and we also always have coupons to help you save more. Just click the link in the description below. Also, organic materials do tend to be more expensive. But right now, at full retail in a queen size, you can get the Saatva Latex Hybrid for about $2,200. All right, now that we have made it through all of our tests, let's give the Saatva Latex Hybrid one final score. So along with everything we've covered so far in this video, I'm also going to rate it on different components like its materials, its warranty information, its cooling abilities, and more. And when I put it all together and I crank the numbers, I give it one final score of 4.6 out of 5. All right, I hope you found this review helpful. If you want to learn more about this bed, just click the link in the description below. You can also head over to sleepopolis.com for more mattress reviews, sleep product reviews, exclusive coupons, and more. But hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye.